Hello Story Makers, and welcome to day 3 of the Magical Story Jars School of Cool. What we've been doing is we've been homeschooling our children like lots and lots of you over the last few days. And we thought we would do a little video every day documenting how we're using our magical story jar in order to homeschool our children. So in the past we've been writing stories using the story cards inside the story jars, and yesterday we designed book covers using our magical story jars story cards. Today we are getting hands-on and we are building a story set from Lego. So this is great for all you Lego lovers. We're going to use Lego and have some real purpose in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a combination from the adventure themed magical story jar of 3 different elements of your story, and then your kids are going to try and build a fantastic Lego set of the story. And you'll notice that whilst they're using this Lego and building, they'll probably start acting out the story a little bit, or they'll use bits of Lego they've already got and something completely different will happen within the story. So they'll follow the story and then all of a sudden a spaceship will come past. Really good for getting them into that creative zone. So I'm going to give you your combination for today. So first of all, because everybody's got different amounts of Lego in your house, some of you might have not very much at all, and some of you might have lots and lots of Lego, we're going to keep the story combination quite simple. So inside every magical story jar, you always also get, in addition to the characters that we suggest, you also get a blank card. So your character can be absolutely anyone at all. So it can be the little Lego people that you get, or you might want to build a robot, anything at all. So you decide on the character. With regards to the setting, we're going to keep it simple today and have a field full of beautiful smelling flowers. Okay. And the plot cards are the main thing that happens in your story today. Is your character is going to discover a secret door. Okay. I'll show you a little one that my children have been working on. We have a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old. This was suitable for both of them. They were quite engrossed for quite some time. So here is our character. He's called Bogey Boy actually. He's in the adventure jar. He's a little boy that couldn't stop picking his nose. They like him. So Bogey Boy was in a field of sweet smelling flowers. He found a secret door, and then is what they've put behind their secret door is a princess, and she keeps all of the sweets, and she's got a fountain full of sweets here. They went on to make up a great story about the flowers talking to Bogey Boy and giving him the numbers to get the door open. It's up to you how your little ones do it. There's no right or wrong. The main thing is to have lots and lots of fun. This is a perfect task if you're behind with your work. You need to give your children an activity and crack on doing your work, because it requires minimal supervision. It's really great for those that like hands-on learning, because it literally brings a story to life. We hope you have lots of fun. Don't forget to use the hashtag magical story jars and tag us into any activities you've been doing. And take care and stay well. Thanks ever so much, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.